Hey guys, wanted to show you this WOLFBOX Superpower Turbo fan that they sent me to review. Thought we'd unbox it quick together and then I'll show you the power of it here. Sometimes these boxes are tricky. Alright, instructions, owner's manual. We got USB-A to USB-C charging. One nozzle. Two nozzle. Long nozzle. And the inflator. This is for like beach balls, floaties and stuff like that. And we get to the star here. Got a lot of good weight to it, very sturdy. Let's see how we hold that to turn it on. Woo, jeez. Holy buckets. So you can hold it on demand air here. And then, let's see. This is the gear switch too. Okay, so low, high, medium. So that's high, medium, low. Super powerful. I'm gonna go show you it on some leaves in the garage, but before I do that, is there anything in here? Feels like a carry bag. This, yep, nice velvet carry bag with some cleaning brushes in here to clean out the backside or what have you. So, or to loosen up dirt that you're trying to blow away. All right, let's go show you moving some leaves. Okay, I have some stray leaves in here just from the wind blowing around today. We had a bit of a storm. Let's go full power. It is a handheld leaf blower. That is crazy. Crazy, crazy. Wow. Check them out. Just some crazy quality stuff. Thanks.